Hi guys, so yeah, I'm back again.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars.
Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to do a makeup which is very appropriate when you're traveling. Usually what I do in my videos is very heavy makeups. I just put on layers of like primer, foundation, concealer, the powder, this, that, blah, blah, so many things. But when I'm traveling, I try to keep the makeup to the minimum. And if required someday, specifically if I'm having a lazy day, just doing some sightseeing and exploring the city, I do a bit of heavy makeup. Otherwise, if I'm on the road continuously or trekking or just traveling from one place to another, I barely do any kind of makeup. So today, right now I'm in Gangtok in the hotel room, and I know the lighting is a bit weird today because I haven't put on the ring light, and whatever I'm doing the shooting is normal daylight, sunlight, and we plan to visit some other waterfalls. So I thought, let me put a nice makeup on and shoot for you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and without any... Okay, I'm getting started. Yeah. So I've already prepped and moisturized my face, and how I do that I have already shown you in the previous vlog, I guess. So let me get started. Okay, I think I showed you in the previous vlog how I carry all my makeup and skincare equipments, and I carry this bag. These contains all my brushes. Okay, so the first product that I'm gonna use is this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade Fresh Beige, and I'm gonna use very little of it. Okay, so the lighting is getting brighter because the sun is coming out. Fine. So I'll just put a little bit of it. I do not want too much of a coverage, just a kind of natural finish. Now, if you want, you can use your fingers to blend the concealer. I forgot to bring my concealer brush, but I do have my travel size kabuki brush, and I'll try to blend it with the brush itself. And as you guys know, while blending, I just do not drag the concealer, rather push it into the eyes or into the skin. Once my concealer is blended, I would be using a compact powder. For that, I'm using this MAC Studio Fix Compact in the shade NC42. And surprisingly, I brought a powder brush with me. So what I'm gonna do is take a good amount of it, and I would be setting my concealer very lightly. And then using it to cover my entire face. Okay, so my face is almost covered. As I told you, I do not want too much of coverage, and I want the look to be more on the natural side. I brought, for my travel purposes, I brought mainly travel size products. Let's quickly get into the eyes. For my eyebrows, I'm taking this NYX Professional Makeup Tinted Brow Mascara. And with this, I'm going to set my brows. So my brows are almost done, and that's how they look right now. Next, I will be doing my eyes. I did not prime my eyelid. What I'm gonna do is just use the compact on my eyes. The previous compact that I used on my eyes. Fine. For the eyeshadow, I have a really small eyeshadow palette. I have this E.L.F bite size eyeshadow palette. This palette has become dirty, the cover has become dirty because I'm carrying so many products. I have put all my makeup products together. So this is how it looks. I would take my Pro Art PE23 brush, and first what I'm gonna do is take this shade. I'm just going to do a very basic kind of makeup since I'm in Gangtok and I will be doing this sightseeing. So I'm doing this blue kind of a makeup, very ideal for a very snowy kind of a look. What I'm doing is just using this blue, that light blue shade, and I'm applying it all over my eyelid. Now I've taken this eyeshadow palette. You can use any kind of eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to use two colors from this palette. Not going to do a very heavy cut crease or anything like that. That's usually what I do. So once my eyelids are covered with this color, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same color on my lower eyelids. And finally, I'm going to take this glittery kind of shade. You can use your finger. I would first try it with the brush, and if it doesn't get applied, I would use my finger. But the brush is doing a pretty decent job, I guess. Why I'm doing an easy eye makeup is because usually when I'm traveling, I do not have much time to get ready. It's just that today is one of those lazy days. So I thought probably I would put on a bit of makeup. But yeah, even today also I started this shooting very late and I have very less time. So probably this video would help you all if you have time crunch and if you want to do a makeup in a very short time. So yeah, this is it. I have applied this shimmery eyeshadow on my eyes, and let's get into the blush. Since I have a very natural coverage, so I won't be contouring a lot. I would just get into the blush. For that, I'm using this Sugar Contour de Force mini blush in the shade Mauve. I carried this because the size is pretty small and it's quite travel friendly. So again, that same brush I'm using. And since the bristles are quite compact, what I'm gonna do is remove the excess product by patting it on the back of my hand and then apply it on the apples of my cheek. It won't matter much if a little more blush gets applied because it's winter here and I'm on the hills. So the cheeks do get naturally red color. If the product seems excess, just use a powder brush to blend it. Now, thankfully, I have got a travel size highlighter and I thought that is the best time to use it. Okay, before that, let's complete the eye makeup. For aligning my eyes, I'm taking this Essence Eye Pencil in the shade. What's the shade? Whatever the shade is, I will be mentioning it in the description box below. Somehow I'm not liking this blue eyeliner, so probably I would use a black one. So I'm using this Skone Eyeliner. This is again a travel size product, and I would be using over this blue color. And this side wing is done. I just hope I get a good wing on this right side also. Finally, I managed to get a wing on both the sides. And for my lower lashes, probably I would be using this blue eyeliner again. So yeah, that's it. Next is the mascara, for which I'm using this Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. And I would be giving myself a generous coat of it because I do not want to apply falsies today. I do not have too much of time and just do not want to do it. Okay, so the eyes are done. Very quickly, I will be using my highlighter for that nice dewy glow. I'm using this liquid highlighter from the Balm and it's the Mary Dew Manizer. And I will be taking this. You just need very less amount of it, you guys. This much. And I will be blending it with the help of my finger. I will be taking the same liquid highlighter on my hand, on the back of my hand, just a little bit of it, to highlight my inner corners. So I will be taking it in the little finger and okay, I do have my brush. Okay, with this pencil brush from the same pack brush set, I will be highlighting my inner corner. And the remaining I would be using to highlight my brow bones. And it's done. For the lipstick also I have another travel size product, and this is a Bobbi Brown Luxe lip color in the shade Hibiscus. And this lipstick is so moisturizing for the lips and it also stays long. Trust me guys, this took very little time for me to do this makeup, and yeah, this is how it looks finally. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new video or makeup tutorial or a skincare video or anything like that, probably a vlog. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye bye. I love you all.